Okay, what happened? What happened? What happened?
I'm fine.
She got lemon in her eye or
It's
lime.
lime, bro. It's lime. That hurt. I bet you that hurts more than if it was.
I
lime.
thought you said that you don't get like thing like that. You're like.
Oh my god!
Are you okay?
Why'd she do it again?
I don't think she meant to. Okay, this dumbass. Fucking now I have to fucking cook. Fucking bitch, man.
Are you talking shit about me?
No.
Don't talk shit about me. Is your hand clean for you to be doing that?
Yeah.
Better fucking be. Noah, can you sweep?